Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring Windows 11 and Excel are up to date. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, open Start, type Excel, and launch the app. You'll see templates and a blank workbook. Choose blank to control every step. Make sure autosave is on if you're using OneDrive, otherwise save locally with Ctrl+S. Now set your default font and column widths quickly so every new sheet matches your needs before adding data. Now you structure the workbook. Select your range and press Ctrl+T to create a table, which gives filters and structured references. You'll enter data into typed columns, set number or date formats so Excel interprets values correctly. Once done, use data validation to prevent input errors and name critical ranges for formulas. Also freeze the header row via View Freeze panes so you can scroll while keeping context. These steps make analysis reliable and fast. Finish by analyzing. Write formulas using structured references, insert a pivot table for summaries, and create charts to visualize trends. Once satisfied, use autosave or file save as to maintain versions and export to PDF for sharing. If things go wrong, first check formula's calculation options, set to automatic, recalc with F9. If Excel still misbehaves, run Office Quick Repair from Settings apps. These final steps secure your work and restore functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.